The sun, our life-giving star. It burns with such power that even from millions of kilometers away, it lights and warms our world. But what really happens inside the sun? Let's take a closer look. Every sunrise we see is powered by the incredible energy of the sun. From our view, it looks peaceful. But beyond the horizon, it's a giant, roaring ball of hot gas. The sun is made mostly of hydrogen and helium, two of the lightest elements in the universe. Gravity pulls these gases together, keeping the sun round and stable. Now, imagine diving deep beneath the surface. At the center lies the core, a place so hot and so dense that atoms are forced to fuse together. This process is called nuclear fusion. The sun has several layers: the core, where energy begins, the radiative zone, where energy slowly moves outward, and the convective zone, where hot gases rise and cooler ones sink. This constant motion keeps the sun alive and active. Inside the core, hydrogen atoms collide with incredible speed and fuse into helium. Each collision releases a burst of light and heat, the same energy that reaches Earth as sunlight. The surface of the sun looks like boiling metal. Huge waves of plasma rise and fall every second. It's not fire, it's pure energy, glowing at over 5,000 degrees Celsius. Sometimes the sun erupts. Solar flares shoot out into space, releasing waves of energy strong enough to affect satellites and communication on Earth. And yet, this same star sustains every living thing on our planet. Every leaf that grows, every wave that sparkles, every breath we take, begins with energy born deep in the heart of the sun. At the center of our solar system, the sun's gravity holds everything together, from the smallest rock to the largest planet, keeping us all in motion around its golden light. The sun is not just a star. It's our anchor, our engine, our beginning, and our endless source of life.